Welcome back to the exciting game show, What's He Making? With the VintNerd. And today, on this episode, we're making Battlezone. Battlezone, you ask, why? Because it's on the Atari Cocktails Glass as a recipe. Although, insider secret here, Battlezone on the glass has a space in it. So some marketing person somewhere did not play Battlezone as a kid. But nonetheless, we're going to make the drink. We're going to enjoy it. At least I'm going to enjoy it. You can watch me enjoy it, perhaps. But follow along at home. Here's the recipe. If it's up here, great. If it's not up here, look over here. Either here or here. Somewhere there. And what we're going to need is 4 ounces of black tea, rye whiskey, red rum, no, reminds me of a movie, red wine, Jamaican rum, and brandy. So let's get into it and make this drink. Okay, great. Let's grab, what do we need here? I read it off. What was it? Black tea? Black tea, 4 ounces. Do I want to shake that first? So the way this game show works is, well, this is the show, and then this is the game. We're actually going to play Battlezone after we make this. And what I need is, well, let's see. Stir all ingredients in a shaker filled with ice, strain in the glass. Where have I heard that before? Probably in one of the other 5 of these videos I have done. I'm still standing. So 4 ounces of black tea. Looks a little brown to me, but I'll go with it. And 3 ounces of rye whiskey. Yep. Yeah, pretty rye. Let's see. There's a couple ounces, and we'll call that an ounce. You're an ounce. And then, well, red wine. Now this is the good stuff. I don't want to mix it, but it calls for the red wine. So we're gonna, or just get a straw. But 3 ounces. Oh, there we go. That was good wine. 1 more ounce. Okay. Then Jamaican rum. Original dark Myers rum. We got the good stuff. Ooh. How many ounces of this? Oh, 1 ounce. Just a single ounce. Couldn't just use a single ounce of the wine. Had to use 3. 1 ounce of brandy. Brandy. Such a fine piece of fine in the glass. Let's see here. 1 ounce of brandy. What a good drink you will be. Yep, that's all the ingredients. Let's stir that up. Now, if you've watched all 6 of these videos, maybe it's your first one. Spoiler, I never shake this stuff. It's stir ingredients in a shaker, but none of these recipes call for shaking it in a shaker. I kind of wonder if that was like, you know, we don't want anybody to hurt themselves. But let's see. Let's strain this into a glass. Oh, it's red. Well, from the black tea and the wine I wasted. Maybe not. Let's find out. Let's do that again. Well, it's no coolant fluid, but I'd like the wine back. So let's go ahead and play Battlezone. Okay, welcome to the zone, the Battle Zone. We've got our Atari Flashback 2 here, and I thought it'd be fun to use this on the small CRT TV. The colors are popping pretty good. We got our drink. Let's see how this goes here. Now, Battlezone in the arcade is a classic and is vector, as opposed to what we're looking at here, which is raster. And uses, there we go, 2 joysticks in the arcade. So I'm a little bummed that this isn't supporting 2 joysticks to go back and forward. It's fun controlling, but... Oh, this actually reminds me a little bit like Ball Blazer. Oh, nice. Nope. Got me. Now, if you've never played this, you've got the map up here showing you where we're going for. There we go. Oh, no! Couldn't get back far enough. Well, the graphics are really nice there. Keep in mind, this is based off of, 44-year-old? 46? Oh, nope. Go away. You got me. Well, this is nice. So again, this is the Atari Flashback 2 unit. And it's a good rendition of that. They got a number of them out there. So if you haven't seen these, you can pick these up pretty good on eBay or whatever your favorite marketplace is. Oh, let's play again. See if I can improve here. Nope. I don't know how to back up quick enough there. Fire! Go away. Nope. Sly bugger. Okay. Got you easy. Whoa. I wonder if I got that last one there. There we go. One more? No. Nope. No. What, I got one more guy? No, 2 more guys left here. 2 more players. Nice. Oh, no, didn't get him. No. Okay, well, if you've watched all 6 of these episodes, I'm doing much better on the Battlezone than I did Adventure. I'm going to have to play more Adventure. But thanks for joining, and if you have the time, go ahead and check out the other 5 Atari Cocktails episodes. And, of course, like and subscribe and comment and watch over and do whatever and enjoy and all that jazz. Till next time, ciao.